You all remember I said I will put this in the oven to dry, because we don't know what we are enjoying with the sun. So unfortunately there is no sun at all, so I put in the oven. I was thinking it would be ready in one day, but no, it took 2 or 3 days. And then this is dry. You can break it like that. That's when you know that it's dry. So I've tried it before in a dehydrator, but it took only, I think it took only about 8 or 10 hours, but the oven took longer, probably because we're using oven for other things. One thing is, this can be difficult to blend, so you have to be sure your blender is very strong. So I have a strong blender which I'm going to use to blend it, and then I'll sieve it. Let's put in this blender. So I'm gonna pour it here. Then we need a sieve, something like this. Packets. This is our homemade this is our homemade Amala, made from the scratch. I'm going to cook it now. I will also show you how I make frozen Ewedu. So to make frozen Ewedu, ensure it is well defrosted, then put it in a blender to blend it. In a pot, add little water, then pour the blended Ewedu in it. So allow it to cook for 2 or 3 minutes. You can't leave it for too long. At this point, you can put your seasoning and iru if you want to add. Then that's it, it's ready. Ewedu and Amala is incomplete without a fresh Obe Ata, so I'll just make a quick Obe Ata so that we can enjoy it. Feel free to use any oil of choice, and feel free to use any combo of pepper of choice at all. Frying onions is optional. To make the amala, in a pot, I'll add some water, then I'll pour in the amala powder and stir it until it is smooth. There are two ways of doing this. You can continue to do it, or you can stop halfway, put some water and allow it to cook by itself. So I always do the second method because it's easier. So this is the final result. Look at that. The amala came out very well, and as you can see, the ewedu, the frozen ewedu as well, came out very well too. So I hope you will try any of this and let me know if you eventually try any of them. Thank you for watching. Bye.